What if I told you that you could literally double your wealth without picking better mutual funds, without timing the market, and doing almost absolutely nothing extra? Most beginners start a 10,000 rupee monthly SIP and just leave it running for 20 years. That is great, but it is the slow way to build wealth. Today, I am going to reveal a shocking mathematical secret that the top 1% of investors use to supercharge their returns. Let us look at the standard approach first. Imagine you start a normal SIP of 10,000 rupees every month in a good Nifty 50 index fund. Assuming a realistic 12% annual return, over 20 years, you would have invested a total of 24 lakhs. Thanks to the power of compounding, your final portfolio value would grow to roughly 1 crore. A 1 crore portfolio sounds fantastic, right? But wait until you see the hidden flaw. The problem with a flat 10,000 rupee SIP is that it ignores your career growth. As your salary increases every year, investing the exact same amount means you are actually saving a smaller percentage of your income over time. Enter the step-up SIP. The rule is incredibly simple. Every year, you increase your monthly investment amount by just 10%. If you invested 10,000 rupees this year, next year you simply make it 11,000 rupees per month. Let us run the exact same 20-year scenario using the step-up strategy. You start with that same 10,000 rupee monthly SIP, but you program your app to automatically increase it by 10% annually. Because you are adding just a little bit more capital as your salary grows, the magic of compounding goes into absolute overdrive. Your total invested amount becomes roughly 68 lakhs over 2 decades, which is very manageable with annual salary hikes. Now for the shocking reveal. Because you gave compounding a progressively larger base to work with, your final portfolio value does not just increase slightly. At the exact same 12% return, your wealth explodes to over 2.4 crores. By simply bumping up your SIP by a tiny 10% each year, you generated an extra 1.4 crores in pure wealth. You literally more than doubled your final portfolio size with one simple automated setting. Most platforms have a free step-up or top-up SIP feature built right in. It takes literally 2 minutes to activate. Do not let your rising income sit idle in a savings account losing value to inflation. Force your money to work as hard as you do. Hit that subscribe button to Girish Invests right now for more no-nonsense personal finance secrets, and I will see you in the next video.